Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Expert Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the payroll management in Tally Prime 6.2. So the payroll management is already done. So now I am making with very less videos, that is less lengthy videos, small videos I am making so that you can learn quickly and easily. Okay. So before entering the topic, a request to you, everyone entering into my channel and watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You will get the notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And also share my channel with all others. And another very important thing is, please everyone watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will learn the topic up to that point only. The balanced topic or subject you cannot understand. It is like only it is a waste of time, nothing more than that, half knowledge. Okay. So see till the end if necessary, watch the video, every video, more than once, 2-3 times you watch, you'll get a good knowledge. And also you practice or work out all the examples given, shown in the examples or problem shown in the video, including the problem which I do. You do it again and practice more number of times, you'll get expert knowledge. And also after watching all the video till the end, if the video is good, please like the video. And also, so you don't forget to, you please post your idea about the video. Okay, right. Now we will enter the video. See here, first of all, we will learn what is meant by payroll management. See, generally, every business or every organization, that means every company means every business organization, will have employees working in the company. So the company has to pay salaries and other allowances to the person, to the employees. So for calculating this, calculation of all the salaries and all the allowances payable to them, deductions made and everything relating to the salaries or wages. So it is called the payroll management. Payroll means salary. Payroll management or payroll accounting. It is also called salary management or salary accounting. So if the company is very small company with less number of employees, so the people accountant or somebody will make the salary slips and the salary management calculations in the Excel also, and they can do. But in the case of large companies, so there may be many mistakes if you do manually in Excel. So that is why in the Prime itself, Tally Prime itself, this option for the calculation of the Tally, payroll management. So the payroll feature is also given, and in that even to many number of employees also, we can finish the work very, very easily and also very exactly without any errors. Okay, that's what we are going to learn, how the payroll management or payroll calculations are done in the Tally Prime. So for that, so here we have to, first of all, we must have a company. First of all, you must have a company. So here, first see here, we have to create the company, and for the company, in the company, whatever features we require, what is the work we are going to do, all the features we have to enable. So already we know how to enable all the enable features. The new feature, this payroll feature, we have to enable. See here, I already created the company by name payroll management and accounting. So creation of the company is the same, no problem. Go to the alter button. So you see the name, all the details, state, pin code, and the mobile number, and email address, the email ID, and if there is any website, and the time. That is the current running period. Okay. And after creating the company, if it is a new company, after creating, directly it will go to the features, the F11 button. Or if this is already created, we have to click F11, we have to go to the features and click some more features, then show more features, show all features should be yes, so that all the features will be shown. So we know for any company, maintain accounts is required, is yes, and bill wise details is required, whether it is sales, goods, services, and then If they are dealing with goods, we are dealing with goods, then, but suppose we are making the videos and we are making the working for tally, that is payroll management. But in even then, that is payroll management for the salaries. But the big company will be doing business, purchasing and selling goods or manufacturing goods. That is why inventory details also required. So let it be. If there is inventory, we will enter. Otherwise, nothing will enter. So inventory details, features. So maintain inventory, integrate accounts with inventory, make it yes, and then come to the other side. Go to the taxation feature. So we will enable the GST feature. This is required for anything, whether goods or services. We'll give the number and everything. Accept. And then come to the next one. Make it yes and see the details of HSN and rates and all these things we will not give here. If only we are dealing with only one type of goods with one HSN code and one rate, we can give the details here. We need not give details anywhere. But here we won't give anything here because we have many different types of assets with many different types of HSN codes and different rates. We will not give anything. The other side, in the F11, here we disable the e-invoice, the e-way bill. That is why that is disabled. That is why here it will not show any e-way bill option. So it will show the HSN options. So create the HSN where every section, all sections will select, and then the length, the minimum length, by default it will be 4 up to 5 crores turnover or turnover. The minimum number of digits required for the HSN or SAC is 4 digits. It will be minimum. And above 5 lakhs, 5 crores, that will be 6 lakhs, 6 digits. And even big companies, we can have 8 also. Because if you have more number of digits, so the filtration will be more. That means you will get the products nearly the products which you deal with. That is why you take 6 or 8. So you're taking 6, accept, and here come down, come down, come down. Here, this is required actually online access, accessing the accounts from some other place. So that is why you have to give yes. But now we don't want that. We can make it no, or we can keep it yes, no problem. And then come down. So accounting features, inventory features, taxation features. These are all other features. Other features. One is online access. Okay, leave it off. Others leave it off. And payroll. Now our work is making the payroll management. That is why the payroll feature is to be enabled. So maintain payroll. We make it yes. And then next one is enable. This is maintaining payroll. For that, we require some details of the statutory details. They are called as enable payroll statutory. Statutory details related to the payroll. For relating to the GST, we are giving many details, the GST registration number and all these things. For TDS, we are giving TAN number and everything we are giving. Similarly, for payroll also, some statutory details are to be given. Make it yes. So a form will open. So payroll statutory details. So statutory means for every business, ESI, Provident Fund, and income tax, national pension scheme, ESI, professional tax, all these will be applicable. That is why whatever is applicable to the company, professional tax is applicable only to the employee. All others are applicable to the company. So all these details have to be given. This is all the details I gave already by default. I gave this one. First one is Provident Fund. So company, for every company, they will get a code. So we have to register. Company has to register with all the departments. They will give code. So company code, company account group code, and then security code, company security code. As I say, all these are only some random numbers I give, but actually every business will have these numbers with them. So we have to enter the by default actual numbers we have to enter. Next one is employee state insurance. So company code, the registration with them is a ESI, and then ESI branch of ESI will have many branches in our jurisdiction. What is the branch? Where is the branch? So they gave Sanat Nagar, and then for calculating these things, the salary will be calculated for 26 days actually. So actually working is 30 days, but salary will be calculated for 26 days. That is 30 days salary will be taken as 26 days. So what is the actual number of working days? There will be 4 holidays definitely, sometimes 5 also, but actually there will be 4 holidays. So working days will be 26. You have to give. Then national pension scheme, it is related to government. So corporate registration number and then corporate branch office number. These details you have to give. And then income tax. So for every employee, we deduct income tax from all the incomes. Okay. So for that purpose, we have to give income tax details relating to our company. So for deducting TDS, we require TAN number and other details. So here, tax deduction and collection account number, I in the TDS will add the TAN number. So the TAN number, and the next one is TAN registration. This is to be given first. TAN registration number means applying for the TAN. They'll give registration number that we will enter, and then they will check up everything. They will give us the TAN number. Then TAN number is to be used for deducting the tax, and then for the income tax purpose, the area or location jurisdiction will be called as circle or ward. In the case of small towns or small places, it is called as ward, ward 1, ward 2, like that. In the case of big cities, it is called as circle. So circle or anything, the income tax circle or ward. So that is to be given. And then deductor, this is the company is the deductor. So what is the deductor type? Means not like government or company or individual or these things. The type that is the type of the company is government or private. Government or private. If it is private government, select government. If it is private, select others. And then the deductor, that is our branch or division. There also we are giving. I am giving a HYDERABAD. Then who is the person responsible for deducting the TDS and making the payments, filing the returns? That already we gave in TDS. There I have given my number. My number I have given. I gave my number, and son or daughter of I had to give. I gave XXX. Then designation I gave as accountant. And for this person responsible, we have to give the PAN card number also. So PAN number I have given. Okay, accept. So this is done. So company is created, and then GST details along with GSTs, payroll details also, payroll enabled, and payroll statutory details are given. This is what we done. So these are the steps. Totally 9 steps are there for payment of the salary, everything. And the last one, 5th to 10th one is checking the or viewing all the reports. This is thing. So all these steps are given in this also here. So first of all, we have made it is yes. So first of all, it was no. So in this case, if it is not enabled, if you go to create or alter button, accounting masters, inventory masters, statutory masters, there is nothing mentioned about payroll, isn't it? No payroll management. Okay. Create also, if you go accounts, inventory, and statutory. So once you enable this payroll and enable payroll, if you enable this and give the details, then automatically then create button or anything. So extra masters, payroll masters are shown. So with this, you have to do all these steps are given here. These are also given in the shape of steps. Okay, payroll masters are given. Okay, so what I do is we can create anything. So create, you can go and select anything which one is to be created. We can create. Otherwise, you can go to alter button also and also select whatever you want to create. And if it is already created, to show the list, and then not created, you have to click the create button and you can create. So, but always everywhere I use only alter button. This is two way. That is, one is displaying the existing that is already created, and if you want to new one to be created, we can create. That is why I go to alter button only. Okay, now go to alter button, and here all these things. Now payroll masters you have to create for giving the entries. So payroll masters, first of all, you have to create. See, we are giving the salaries and everything and deducting some amounts from the employee. So employee is required. We have to create the name of the employees, all the details relating to the employees you have to create. And all these employees will be working in groups. One group will do some work. Another group will do some other work. That means some other department. One work will do all accounting work. It is called account department. Sales work, sales department. Like that, there will be many departments. These departments are called as employee groups. The individual persons are called employees, and employees will be working in departments, that is group, department, and above that, there will be many departments in the office. That means the company may have one office or many offices. If it is only one office, in that office the departments will be available. That is the one office. Okay. If there is a head office, branches, and all this, each one is called. There are many offices. These offices are called as employee categories. Employee categories. So employee categories means offices. Every company will have one office by default. If you have more offices, you have to. If you have one office, we need to create anything that will be there automatically by default. And if you have more offices, we have to create the categories. And in the categories, you have to create the groups, that is departments called as groups. And in each group, we have to create the employees. So there are 3 steps. The first one is we have to create the employee category. We have to create the employee category. It is optional, means if you have more offices, you have to create. If you have only one office, so that is not required. Only default office will be there. So here category is not available, because if there is only one office, we need not create any category. So by default, just like what you call you call it as already by default one category will be there. Just like go down primary location. Similarly here primary cost category will be there. That is the only single office. If you are more, you have to create. So by default there will be one office. That is why category is not given. So we will create in the problem. I have taken one problem. In this I have to get 2 categories. That is head office, Hyderabad, and Vijayawada branch. That is why 2 have to create. That is why you require quality. Employee categories you have to create is not available. So in this case, how you will see that? Go to show more. Click that. Then it will show employee category. So we have to create the employee category. Create employee category. Here is show employee category. Under the category, you have to create the departments called as groups. And under the groups, you have to create the name. So first of all, I'm going to make small videos, not very long videos. I am giving many videos like only in small length. So because we'll have many videos, so each video will be very small, less length. Then you can learn, see many number of times, you can learn very well. That's what I am doing now. Previously, I made long videos. Now we have to create the category. So accept here primary cost category. There is only one. That primary cost category is there. We have more than one. We have to keep it as it is. Create the offices, or you can change it to main office, head office, Hyderabad head office, and branch, that is Vijayawada branch, Chennai branch, like that. You have to create this. You can change. So leave it as it is. You can change it, no problem. You can change it, no problem. So go to create. So I'm creating. See, I have 2 offices: Hyderabad head office, Hyderabad head office, and that is the office. And in this, what are the items? You have to allocation of all the revenue items, and non-revenue also, like attendance and all these non-revenue items. That also we will create. Okay, give both revenue and non-revenue. Yes, Hyderabad office we created. Then Vijayawada branch office. Vijayawada branch office. So sorry, Vijayawada branch office. This also revenue items as well as non-revenue items will enter. See now, see this category, employee category. I created 2. This will not use. We will use only these 2. And under each office, we have what you call. We have 2 departments. See, in Hyderabad head office, accounts and sales, and on the Vijayawada branches, accounts and sales. We have to create. So branch you have to create. That's what given here also. Employee group, that is the department. So this you have to give. You have to create. Nothing is there by default. Nothing will be there. So here you have to create. First of all, you have to take under which office. So employee category, you will take H, head office. You will take up. Under here you will take up accounts department, and it will be under primary. There is above this. There is no department. This is under the office, not under the department. Okay. And accounts department, and under the accounts department there may be some other department. Under accounts department, payables department, receivables department, like that. That's not, we don't require all this. And then that is primary. And here salary, define salary. Salary we will not define, because there will be different types of salaries and different type of allowances. All these we will define. What is the amount payable, what is the amount deductible, and all these things we will define at the end for all the employees. Okay. So here we will not give this, make it no. So accounts department, under the same office, we will now sales department. So we created same thing. So we created, that is one. Oh, see, accounts department, sales department, and head office. Now under branch office. So click the backspace, take V, Vijayawada branch office. Under this also create accounts department. If you take accounts department, it will show you already the name existing. Name is existing under another department, another office, and not this. So what we do is, so to avoid this, so department we just shorten that. We will take it as DEPT department. That is also called as department. So accountancy department, or we can make it as accounting department also. There we call it as accounts department. Here we can call it as accounting department. You can give, just like give accounts DEPT. Okay, accounting department is also okay. These are the same thing. No. Okay, see here, and then under the Vijayawada and sales DEPT, sales department. Okay, sales department I create. So I created. So what I did, I created category, that is offices I created. If it's another office, for example, Chennai branch, that also we can create. Okay, and then branches. Branch, I mean, that is what you call group. Group means that is the department. So under Hyderabad, we created accounts department and sales department. Under Vijayawada, accounts department, we can make it as accounts department, and in the other one, accounts DEPT or accounting department, you can make, no problem. Okay, we created, and then what we had to do, we are under the groups, that is under the departments, we have to create the names of the employees. For the names of the employees, we have to give lot of details. For the employees. For the employees, we have to give lot of details. So that is why. So in this video, I did this in. So in this one, we have, in this case, we have 4 employees. That is one employee in head office, each department. So 2 departments, 2 persons. Here 2 departments, 2 persons. Totally 4 employees are there. So what I did is, I entered all the details for 3 employees, and for 1 employee I have not created anything. So I will show you how to enter all the details related to that employee. With all the other employees also, we will do the same thing. We will do the details in the similar way. We will give, though I completed these 3, only one I will show you. The same thing we can do. The other also I will show you. Okay. Like this, we have to create the employees. That we will take up in the next part, because I am making small videos. Many for example, previously we did 4, 5. This time it will be more. So more, because if you do like that, each small item, I mean 1 or 2 topics, if you take, we can get elaborate knowledge. I can explain you elaborately. You will get elaborate knowledge. Very good knowledge you will get. Okay. This is the thing. This is very important. The payroll management is very important. Some companies appoint, particularly for payroll management, they appoint employees for that purpose only. Is very important. So with this, I am closing this video. So in the next video, we will go to the next topic. We will go to the next topic, creation of employees. And now there are 2 topics after that we will create. And after the 2 topics, very small topics. So these 3 we will complete in the next video. So we'll meet in the next video. Bye.